Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane, Yes We Can, and Demi. We're going to do a quick review of Senorita. So when you're out at the clubs, it's fresh in your memory. I've already, on my channel is already the full teach, tutorial, and a demo. So here we go, the quick review. Senorita starts with your left foot, which is very unusual. Most line dances start with your right foot. This is starts with your left foot. Here we go. For the 32 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, and a coaster step. Rock, recover, triple step forward. Pivot, half, keep turning, triple step left. Rock back, side, and cross. Now diagonal. Triple step, diagonal. Triple step. Rock, recover to your home wall weave. Rock, recover, quarter sailor to your new wall, your side wall. Okay, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Diagonal, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Diagonal, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Home wall, weave, side wall, quarter, sailor step. That's it. You do it on all 4 walls. There is a tag on wall 7, which is your back wall. And it's after you do the full turn and you do a triple, so it's pivot, turn, triple step, rock back. Now you do a 4 count tag. Right, left, hips, right, left, hips all the way around. So now you're ready with your left foot to start again. Okay, that's it. Bye, thanks for joining us.